Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to bring y'all a kind of a bigger picture video today. So as y'all know, I basically saw this starting to break bearish here, and I said that we were underneath the VWAP and that we were underneath our 7 EMA ribbon, I think that's what it is. And then that was pretty bearish to me. So then a few hours later, lo and behold, we broke bearish out of this rising wedge. So we'll see where that takes us. I think I said in the video 7,300 was my price target. But we'll see what happens then. The bigger picture time frame, what I kind of wanted to look at. Let me go to a fresh chart really quick. Let's go here. I think this will work. I'm going to take a look on the 4-hour here really quick. But our overall downwards channel that we're in, I'm going to decide whether or not market Cipher can tell us if we're going to break bullish or bearish out of this trend, or if we are just going to continue down in the so-called bull flag that we are in right now. So let me see if I can zoom out a little bit more. Guys, if y'all are liking these videos, I want to hear y'all's feedback. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what y'all are thinking. If y'all want me to go over any other coins with Market Cipher, we can do that. Or if y'all want me to talk about news articles or something like that, we can do that too. So also, I'm going to be doing a giveaway at 500 subs. But I need y'all, whoever wants to participate, get signed up for the weekly newsletter that I'll be putting out, and also go ahead and comment in the video down below and tell me that you want to win the Ledger Nano S. Alright, so let me get rid of these old trend lines here. So let's see, our overall downwards trend was this so-called bull flag that some of us are saying that we're in. And honestly, I think it could be a bull flag, but you know, it just depends on how we're gonna break out of this. Pretty much, we need to figure out what exactly is going on here, right? So this is our overall trend pointing downwards, right? And I just wanted to see what Market Cipher might be able to tell us on this, right? If on our next upswing we're gonna be able to break bullish or bearish out of this. And we're gonna kind of dive into Market Cipher a little bit more today to see whether or not, what kind of indicators we can get based on that. So let's take a look at our 4-hour real quick. Let's get rid of some of these other indicators here. And this, nothing's for certain, right? I mean, these markets are unpredictable sometimes, so just take everything with a grain of salt. So yeah, and guys, I have a Telegram group. Y'all can join that as well. The link's down in the description below. Also, if you haven't read the Rich Dad Poor Dad, click the link down in the description box below, and y'all can check out the website that I have for that as well. And if you want to just buy your Nano X Ledger, then you can also do that using the affiliate link down in the description below. It just helps out the channel, y'all. Okay, so as you can see, our 4-hour kind of looks like it's topped out a little bit of this trend that we're in right now. So if we zoom out just a little bit more, it's going to be hard for our 4-hour to probably make it up out of, or to even touch this top trend line here, because I'm seeing the money flow still in the red, right? It does look like it wants to clip back up, but it looks like we're kind of making a cut to the downwards end here, and it does look like we're kind of folding below one of our EMA ribbons here as well. So that could mean that we maybe get halfway in this channel, in this downward channel, and then we come back down and retest that support down here, maybe at 6,300. I'm not saying that we're going to go that low, but right now for our 4-hour, it doesn't look like there's much push to the upside just yet. It looks like we want to try and stay up here, but I think our money flow is going to pull us back down just a tad bit. And then our 8-hour, Still some reddish territory. Like our swing high up here, like didn't even get us above the 60% area. So, and we're already putting in a what it looks like a bearish divergence as well. So, and we already have a red dot on the 8 hour as well too. So that could possibly bring us back down lower. Let's take a look at our 12 hour. 12 hours still in the red money flow. It looks like we're going to have another red dot up here as well. So just take that into consideration. I mean, we pretty much made it in the center of this channel. But it does look like we're going to kind of swing back down before we start to gear up. So I'm sure, let's see if we can take an estimate look at what's going to happen here on our 1 day. Based on where we're at right now on our 1 day, it doesn't look like we're going to have the momentum that we need to see to continue up here. What I would have wanted to see was this green dot probably hit maybe like about right here. If we had hit the green dot, while we were a little bit higher, then that could possibly lead us, to some further push up out of this channel. But I think because we hit the green dot, so low, touching this bottom channel pretty much, it's gonna need a little bit more momentum behind it. And our money flow is still in the red as well. So I would estimate maybe like a swing high possibly to come up. But it does look like our lower time frames were still kind of wanting to swing low a little bit. Let's take a look at our 3 day. Our 3 day does look like a little bit more bullish, to where we could possibly start to swing up a little bit higher and then maybe touch this channel maybe in January, possibly touch the channel possibly in January. I'm gonna suspect that probably around January we'll come back up and retest this channel. I think we're gonna kind of consolidate around here in December. And then our 5 day, also the money flows in the green. So I would imagine that on our next touch up at the top of this channel, we're probably gonna break out. To be honest, I think that we're gonna possibly break out. It does look like our 5 day wants to put in a green dot as well. I would imagine that we'll probably break out, and then let's go to our weekly real quick. On our next swing high, we'll probably break out, and then we could come back down and retest this top trend line again. So we would just want to wait for confirmation on that. But this is more of a bigger picture, just to see if we have the actual momentum to continue us up out of this channel. And I think that we do, but in the mid time frames, they're still telling us that we need some pullback. So like we just broke bearish out of this ascending wedge here. So if we go back to our 4 hour, so this ascending wedge broke bearish. Looks like we want to come back underneath this EMA. And based that we're still in our red money flow, our Cipher B could come a little bit under here and then continue back up to start to turn it into a green money flow. So I would from the looks of the higher time frames, I don't think that we'll come back down and retest the 6400. I think there's enough momentum for us to consolidate around here in this area, and then possibly on our next touch up here, we'll probably break through. So that's just my prediction right now. Take it for what it is. Don't do anything crazy out there, y'all. If y'all are interested in trading, I do have a Bybit link down in the description below, but please use the testnet first. I cannot stress that enough. Please use the testnet first. Do not go in there with your actual Bitcoin and start trading. Use the testnet, get signed up, talk to support here, ask them how to start using testnet. They'll guide you through it. So go ahead and do that. And I'm literally one of the only influencers that ever stresses freaking use Testnet first. Get good at trading before you actually use your actual money, right? So also we have the Brave browser download. Go ahead and start browsing the web and earning BAT token. I need to do an analysis on BAT as well, but I feel strongly about BAT token, and I think it'll do well. If y'all are interested in mining BTC from CryptoTab web browser, I have that link down in the description below as well. So y'all, I appreciate y'all joining me on this, but from the looks of it, Cipher is telling us that some consolidation here is going to be nice, and then on our next swing high, we'll probably break out of this channel. So take that for what it is. I could be one of the only people saying that right now, but that's kind of what it's looking more towards. So we'll see. I did want to take a look at our monthly again, and we're gonna have to go into some other. Here we go. This is Coinbase chart on our monthly here. And what I really just want to look at is Cipher B here. So I think what could happen is that, let's go to BLX. Yeah, this has a little bit more data behind it. So because we're still in our green money flow, that gives us more push to the upside too as well. So I think that we'll consolidate around here. December, come down a little bit from December, and then maybe January, we'll put in a green dot, and then probably January we'll be touching that top of that channel up there as well. So let's take a look at the 2-month. Okay, can't really see money flow there. And the 3-month, cool. So yeah, I still feel like we're gonna continue sideways for a little bit longer, and then on that upswing, that next upswing will probably be our decision point to break through that channel. All right, y'all. Well, that was a quick update for y'all, but I did want to push that video out there. I know a lot of people are trying to guess whether or not, you know, we're gonna break up out of that channel, but as of what I'm seeing right now, it looks like on our next touch up there, we'll probably break through it. So go ahead, share this video, tell everyone that where y'all heard it first, you know. And I appreciate y'all coming back. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what coins y'all want me to review with Market Cipher, and we can go there. Yeah, in the meantime, I'm going to be doing the giveaway at 500 subs. You need to be signed up for the newsletter, and also tell me what coin y'all want to see and comment down below, so that way I know that y'all want to get that Nano Ledger S. Alright, cool. Thanks, y'all. You have a good one.